This has been a rough year.
And nowadays you breathe and you risk your life.
So what am I gonna do with that information? Sit at home and be sad? Nah, we're gonna shoot some zombies.
They're fucking with the wrong people.
Am I right back where I'm right back where I started. Oh no, this is bad news, bears. Today I'm trying something different. We're in Call of Duty, we're in Black Ops, we're in Cold War. Never thought I would be someone who really liked to play Call of Duty, but here I am. I am one of them. So, let us see where we go from here. As you can see, my main man is Adler. In this skin in particular, because he's a cowboy. That's it, that's the reason. He's a cowboy.
Country boy, I love you.
My favorite map to do is Firebase Z. Now, this one here, it's the reason I quit playing this game. I played it the first time when it first came out, and I thought, you know what, zombies is not for me. I don't like this, but I'm gonna do it today. Maschine, you and me, let's go. This could either be really great or really awful. I'm hoping for great. Alright, we're going with the MP5. It's a tried and true.
You've got a green light, Strike Team. Happy hunting.
Welcome to Alpha.
Are you ready, kids? Let's go.
Get to work.
Oh, that's not... Okay, this is a great start. This is a great start. Okay. Full disclosure, I know literally nothing about this map, so I guarantee most of this is going to be spent figuring it out. Alright, where are we? Looks like there's a door here. Interesting. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be that guy. I did it! I'm helping. This is another one? Okay, got it. Alright, see, I'm figuring it out. I'm not a complete noob. I gotta say, the knife upgrade to your melee ability, this whole thing here, fantastic. I never would have thought of it until my fiance told me about it. It's like, this is worth the points. And it is. This is how I make money throughout the game. This is the big issue here. This is just like... I'm so unsure of where to go that I'm not sure what the next objective is here. So... I'll just kill dudes. Oh, if I die, this would be so embarrassing. I don't even know where my team is. Oh boy. This is going south fast. Here we go. I hate when it randomly gets teleported. I don't know anything about the Easter eggs in this game. I don't know anything about the little puzzles or what have you. This is just a struggle to survive at this point. Ooh, grenade. Maybe I should figure this out. Where did he go? There's some fishy going on. Whose souls are we fetching? Wait a second. Oh, there's the Pack-a-Punch machine. I was wondering where that went. Everyone's up there. I feel like I should also be up there. But at what cost? Oh, at what cost, my friend? Ah! There's one thing I've learned about this game is that things escalate fast. Team! Yay, I'm here! Ooh. Okay, I see. This is how we got into the place. Did it again. Did it again. I've also been told that there's a crossbow in here if you want to get your Daryl Dixon on, but...
A bowman's a bowman through and through. I've been looking for a weapon like that.
Beyonce also said it was kind of garbage, so I don't know. I don't know if I'm ready to risk that. What is this? Come here. Psych, I shouldn't have came here. What's that? Can I get over there? See that gold thing right there? Is that gold? I don't know. I don't think I can get over there. It is gold. I see it. Oh. Alright. I'm sure that's part of some kind of Easter egg.
Your attack has caused the entity to bifurcate.
I'm curious. But will I look it up? No. What in the world is that? What? Okay. What is this? What is this? Horror show. Oh, okay. Goodbye. Okay. Excuse me. Can I get a drink? I'm not allowed to get... Oh. The stream bar was right in my face. I didn't even see I already have this perk. Oh boy. I'm tired today. Here I am thinking I broke the game. No, the game has broken me. I'm still curious. What is that? Watch it be nothing.
Raptor 1 is nearby, strike team. Exfil window is short, so take it now if you're ready.
I'm overwhelmed with possibility right now. Oh, we already want to exfil? I guess, why not?
Raptor 1 en route to Alpha Site. Get out
This
of there
is like
before
the
window
shortest
expires.
game I've ever played. Alright, where's the extraction site? I'm gonna wait and follow these guys. They seem to know what they're doing. Where are we going, boys?
Let's hustle.
Alright, where the heck is Alpha Site? I feel like I'm going the wrong way. Am I right back where I'm right back where I started. Oh no. This is bad news, bears. Oh no, team's going down. Oh no, exfil failed.
Mayday, mayday! Raptor 1 is going down!
Well, that was an embarrassing performance. Still didn't figure anything out about this map. I came in third. I'm not sure what that really means in zombies. Look, I'm not gonna say that was my best performance. I'm also not gonna say it was my worst performance. It was a performance. Yeah, that was a lot. That was a lot. And I remember why I stopped playing zombies immediately after trying it. That was so embarrassing. Anyway, but I thank you for watching. I thank you for enjoying this with me. And I guess I'll see you on the flip.